This is the latest in dancehall and social media news so far. As I talked about in my last episode, Dawg gets pow-powed leaving his friend Joe Dead, and the police took his friend Biggs into custody. Dawg allegedly went to a party in Florida and sees his ex-friend, Sinna, and who owed him $2,500, where he demanded the money.
Tell me what happened.
Shooting, I don't know. Come here, now.
Sir, stop screaming. I already have the call enter. Were you shot?
Yeah, I don't. My friend died.
Your friend was shot?
Yeah.
But when police showed up there, they found no one. Detectives ended up finding one man dead about a mile away near State Road 7 and Southwest 23rd Street. And that man who was found shot to death was just identified as Kayvon Flynn, just a couple weeks shy of his 35th birthday. The victim, the man who was shot at, who you heard in that 911 call, we're learning is at an area hospital in stable condition. Live in Miramar, I'm Christian De La Rosa, Local 10 News.
That was an audio of Dawg talking to police first response callers. I hear a lot of people saying that it doesn't sound like Dawg. Jamaicans that live in the States all adapt to an accent for Americans to understand what they are saying. It is so unfortunate that Kayvon Flynn, who they call Joe, lost his 3 points. Word on the street is that Butta fell out with Dawg some weeks before this took place and over a TikTok match. I'm not gonna point fingers on this man, but I'm sure the police is doing their investigations. Besides, the American law system works a little different. They do what is needed to be done. Anyways, as I said, Sinna and Butta were at the party and got confronted by Dawg. Dawg apparently dissed Sinna, and things started to escalate. Sinna and Butta got escorted out the party because the promoter didn't want them to mash up his party. After the party, he all went south. Man get up in their feelings allegedly, and this was the end result. Here's some man that knows Dawg and his friends talking. I can't confirm that what this man is saying is factual, but here's what he had to say.
I'm going to tell you exactly what going on with the world, dog. Because I need to know what going on, bro. Because people, I'm not going to lie to you, bro. I'm telling you the truth what going on. Here what going on, people. World, dog, have a friend. Some people in my parade, but they trouble people. And he claims that they're my friend. You see me? And the man walk a through with people, my name shooter, man. And he sing about it, bro. And he sing about it, bad man. You see me? So that world, dog, bro. In friend them shoot a man and they sing about it, bro. Make man shoot a man, bro. You see me? And the man sing about it, bro. But get up. And the man them bring vengeance in their heart, bro. And now make him and him want kill, bro. So that happened to World Dog, bad man. World Dog is a man where they follow up when he can't manage, bro. World Dog is not a bad man. World Dog a comedian. And I tell him, World Dog, I tell him, say I'm not a bad man. He's a comedian, bro. And you know, they look at you to dead. They man ain't no badness. They man just follow a dog. You see me? So that one bad man. Her like that off look more that way he can show. He might follow the big belly nerd. Listen, alright, everything good. I never go talk, bro. Cause I never want to talk some things, bro. And I make you people on the wiser, bro. But I go tell them still, cause you know me not hide nothing from you. Cause from morning I want to always talk to him and they tell him the truth. Everything World Dog, good and bad, me ever big up World Dog, bro. And me now wish nothing for my worst enemy them. You see me, I'm sorry for the dog, because I know the dog not deserve it and thing, but the dog bite off look more than when he can show. So I reach him. Bro, man a comedian, the man know he can't do without road. Real dog know he can't do without road. Real dog know he love can drive out the nice car them. Remember say real dog not used to nice car, no regular buy a jail in a yard park up, one Corvette and one X6. Imagine you have much money, you can't go nowhere. Real dog is a man that used to go out and go party. Real dog not used to turn the house like the big belly. Like turtleneck, which is squash. Real dog not used to like to turn the house like squash. Real dog used to be outside and party. Like when you normally do that. Real dog, that's how real dog turn. Real dog is a youth who go out and in party and in doing little thing for a long time for him just come live a Florida. You see me? So you and me can't take out that whole time. He always out party. Real dog is staying for 1-2 months or 1 year, but he can't do it favor. You see me? Because the first thing something I reach him, man shoot off a real dog already, but he never get no shot. I think he get shot or not get no shot, I'm not sure. But it happened to him already, bro, and the first thing something I reach him. It's just that somebody dead now, so he go viral. You get me, and he ain't so famous. You see me? So he was going now, he buy out man thing, bad man I talk about the 6 and all of that, bro. So 6 man, them go do And if do a 6 man, them go do fuck. Him now go did it. And 3 map already man, them and they lose up him, but him and them touch him. You see me I say? So I reach him.
I will continue to give you updates about this particular story as it unfolds. World Dawg is said to be in stable condition after he got shot in his arm and broke his bone. Allegedly, social media influencers disappoint their fans as they try to capitalize off World Dawg's and Joe's demise. A couple TikTokers were in their feelings and were stated as saying some not-so-nice things in regards to World Dawg's demise. Kiki, also known as Muma Rich, and Brittany Goff said a lot, and if I were them I would leave it alone. Even if you don't like someone, just don't say anything bad, especially if it's after something bad happened to the person.
Me no. No, me love. Me sorry for who. Me no know nobody. Me no know them. And them no know me. And if nothing did happen to me, then they ain't go come. How long me dey on TikTok? Any one of them ever come and say, Kiki, me a give a match? I just they not tell all of them see me and play with me. So no tell me who me feel sorry for. Anybody in me that me free if you say that not nothing to do with me no business. Me feel walk around and sorry for your world. Who no sorry for who no want sorry for, and Kiki sorry for who she want sorry for. Oh, but me feel walk sorry for who? Nobody is sorry for me. We know, yes, me bitter. I don't give a f what nobody wants say. Yeah. Me no business. Me not sorry for nobody. Me sorry for who me want sorry for.
Britt also had her take on who was responsible for him being powed. They keep saying Britt mad, but she needs to be careful how she goes about doing things. Rosalie and a couple of the other top-ranking YouTubers are basically accusing her of rejoicing over World Dawg's downfall, and I really don't think she was. However, going out of your way to accuse someone of a crime, and you don't have evidence, is another level of hatred.
For performance. Oh, Todd, assassinate. Wow. You know, I said today's a nice day. Something about today. 51K in 1 hour and 3 minutes. Got it. Whoa. Hey, God is good. God is good. God is good to me. How could I let him down? How could I let him down? How could I let him down? He's so good to me. Hey, God is good. Swiftly. I'm not going to talk to Swiftly. God is good to me. How could I let him down? How could I let him down? How could I let him down? He's so good to me. Hey, he picked me up. He turned me around.
Bear in mind, Britt has been going through a period where her fans were not gifting her, and as seen in that video, she was receiving gifts. I think that was the real reason she was rejoicing. I'm not assuming the worst on this one. Besides, people respond differently to certain situations. However, World Dawg is always checking for Britt. I feel some type of way how she wasn't even concerned that he went through this, where he could have lost his life. That alone is crazy to me. But it all comes with price of fame and social media. People become so nonchalant and no regards for human life, and it's heartbreaking. A man will not like you, and you didn't do anything to him, and he hear that you dead and say yes, a long time them should have do that. And to me it's very telling. A lot of time people prefer to hear the bad news about someone than the hood. They fully show their true colors in situations like this because they don't like to see you prosper. TikToker and adult entertainer Sashana Gapeteaser cries on her live after saying she feels bad after she was treated like a nobody after she attended popular TikToker's birthday party event Swissly. Gapeteaser says she's scared, and with a judgmental society like Jamaica, she should be. Besides, we all see this play out all the time. Their favorites get away with the most, basically telling people they do the most outlandish things and get the most love, and someone else do the same thing and get stoned by the crowd. How hypocritical.
The truth. People see me and approach me in a real life. Wanna make me paranoid for real. Wanna make me paranoid and scared. So when all the fans were genuinely want to approach me, I'm afraid. One man see me last night. When the mom tell us the man bar me off from go up on the stage. The man that want me up on the stage for go up on the stage with the people that mama come with. Because what? Me a Gapeteaser. The man them bar me off somebody from Hero. Me don't know if him dep on the live. Or somebody from Hero something there. Crew, come down and carry me up there. Me down there like, it's like me's a nobody. If you understand what I mean. Man, me down there like it's a nobody. You know, like you come and it's like, I just you alone there. People just, you know, like nobody no want to be seen with you. It really sad for you, you know. It's a really reality, you know, what me talk about, you know. People will see you on social media and judge you for what you do. And then know say you're entertaining people, you're just entertaining. It's nothing serious. You know that serious. My depa am run, me come up, me's a family orientated people. Me have family, me have feelings just like everybody else. Me come by and laugh and say certain things and I don't know say a serious something. For real thing me I talk about.
Well, it comes with the whole industry. She of all persons should have known that you won't get respect if you market your body for cash. They do the most to tear down one person, but praise another who is doing the same thing. It's like TikTok, you got people begging and cussing out their fans for not gifting them big gifts. But a man on the roadside basically beg them and they run them and say go look work when they are basically doing the same thing. Like the double standards are wild. Here's what a couple influencers said about Sashana.
You see some of the Jamaican people who are some f***ed up set of people. The girl we name Sashana Gapeteaser. Me know see a lot of you probably know this girl based on the kind of content them that she does. So when the girl go at the show, I wanna lock out the girl, I wanna prevent the girl to go on stage with the other rest of people them we up there. Probably people up there that does the same content that she do. So me no see what difference between she and them. Why una treat her differently? Una know say this girl literally is a porn star and she come out and she talk and she no care. A fear thing that. No for una to, you know, I do some things behind closed door. It's just that people no know about it. Man a piss and no for una all in our mouth. Just because of money. I just that people now know about some of them things that will happen. So when time you not go be as if you no want to treat the girl as an outcast because of the content them that she create. You no want set a corrupt set of people. You know. Some of Jamaican people may attack, frig up. So me no see why the girl can get the same treatment as the other people and we do the same type of content. Why she can't get the same treatment too? Somehow just feel like say uno depend this level where nobody can surpass uno or no feel like say uno can't fall back. Remember, you know, social media build and break people. That is the reason why me stay in my little lane over here. So me could have big like enough for them too if me did continuously. I go live and I do this and I do that, but I choose not to. Me make sure me go look at 9 to 5 because me know say social media it now go be forever. At 5 years now me depend on TikTok. And me see some of you come out and do nothing and get the exposure. Me happy for you, me not really business about that. I fool no thing that, I fool no 9 to 5 that, I fool no bread that. But when you now go treat the girl some type of way and I behave as if where she a do a crime she a commit. She choose to do it. That's her lifestyle. She should not judge based on her lifestyle. You know something where they call him diversity. Everybody is not the same. Everybody is different and that is what make us unique. You understand what I say? So when you now go behave as if say yo, the girl a do one world wrong and you know go treat some people will do the same thing where she do and have her as an outcast. When you wrong for that, me not tell you no lie, you no too corrupt. You no me not tell no lie. You no need to lift up.
Swiftly party.
Sashana Gapeteaser. I mean, if you tell me say your company people them internet and a ball because you don't get to go on the stage as Swiftly party. I never know say them up there give you a trophy for who can sell the most front on TikTok. Hence why you didn't want to go up there so much. And let me just say this. I say the girl that sell front, I have no problem with a girl who sell front. Because guess what? Everybody have them value in a society. Let's just say that, right? But Sashana come on the internet and I cry say people are judge her based off of our content. My girl, you can't expect for the inner the mud and don't come out with stain. You're on the content, you're on the internet that talk about fuck, all kind of things where you feel like say, and you call yourself self front. That is what we're gonna recognize you for, miss. You can't expect for the inner the mud and don't come out with fucking stain. I know you have a ball say, oh, you're doing it for entertainment purposes. We don't know what it we don't know if for entertainment purposes, because we don't want to know. Is it entertainment purposes or is it your real work? Because if it's really a and if that is the kind of content you create, there's no way you can sit down a ball so nobody want to associate themselves with it, because that is not something that is reputable in society. You see people lose them career a couple years ago just because of things like these. So you did want some kind of trophy or something for sure say it's or to celebrate the whole content where you create over there. I mean, as me say, me not have no problem with your content or anything. But why you come out on a bar now when you see nobody know want to deal with you? What you feel like? What you feel like? Come on, girl, get a grip of yourself, man.
What I really got to question, is she the only content creator that talks about sex on her platform? Because she's not the only one I see talking about what she wants to do sexually, but yet they are not being judged harshly as they do Sashana. But everyone wants to play judge and juror and be on a witch hunt when it's convenient. I really don't see what's the problem here, really. Because what counts for one should count for all. Nobody is perfect, yet some of you still act like you are. Let me leave you with one of Sashana's videos.